Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Q3 Samurai bike taillight to this Rockbros helmet. What we need here is the long rubber band, the attachment, and this taillight itself. So now we're going to attach this into the back of the helmet using this long rubber band. What we need to do, can you see here? Okay, you see these two gaps, two holes here. We have to insert this rubber band. There you go. Okay, now as you can see, it's already there. Okay. Should be facing this way. Yeah. Take this end. Okay. Now you have to take the other end and hook it. Okay. Oops. Be sure to put it properly. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay. Now if you want some protection so that this side here won't scratch the helmet, you can put the small rubber band. You can use this small rubber band. Okay. Here you go. You can put behind. See? Too much. Okay. This is just an optional. Not really necessary. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's protected. See? So you can put your tail light now. This is a bike sensing brake, so when you hit your brake, will turn into bright. So it's like a normal vehicle or normal car, so they know that you're hitting your brake or you're stopping. Yeah, that's all.